everyone. I hope you are all doing great. Okay, I'm in the person of a champion Mary Mafwa, and today is your first time coming across my video. I would really love it if you subscribe, you comment, you share, you like, and don't forget to also click on the notification bell to receive all my new notifications and be part of my YouTube family. Okay, and I hope you are going to find this video helpful at the end. Okay, and today's video I'm coming to share with you what I've learned so far about multimedia. Okay, someone may ask, what's multimedia? So when we say multimedia is a presentation of information in an attractive and interactive manner with a combination of audio, video, text, graphics, and animation. Okay, as we move on, we go to the elements of multimedia, and with the elements we have text, audio, images, and interactive elements as well. Okay, we are moving on to the phases of multimedia. With the phase 1 we have planning, phase 2 we have production, and phase 3 we have texting. Okay, this brings us to the end of our video. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Bye bye.